Sunday, September 19th. This is day 2 of my cruise. It's a Mardi Gras cruise, Carnival. This is the 7th booking, meaning that my original cruise was supposed to be in March or February of last year in Charleston for 5 days solo. And then, of course, everything hit the fan. And that was rebooked 3 times till I gave up. And then booked a cruise with Troy in July. And then for October. And then again, gave up. And then a 2-week cruise with my daughter and her boyfriend in Troy out of Barcelona. That didn't happen. So this is it. So I think that makes it 7, if you want to call it 7th booking or 6th rebooking. So it doesn't even matter where we're going. We're just happy to be on the ship. And just getting on the ship was fine. It was actually really, the Carnival does a great job, like pivoting and shifting and being flexible. The only thing is there are a lot of new people, so they're not, and plus this is a new procedures all the time. I was kind of held back because I couldn't scan a QR code, which wasn't even necessary for my COVID test that I took last minute. And luckily we had those home tests that are approved by Carnival, where you video someone and they verify your identity, etc. They take the test in front of them on a video camera. Because the CVS result didn't come in until like 4 and our boarding time is like 11:30. So that was really pushing it, not knowing exactly when that test would come in. But again, everything's great. It's their latest ship. It's awesome. We're out bright and early. So the reason I'm doing this video for my 1 subscriber channel is I'm not weighing myself. I didn't weigh myself before this, but I am gonna try to be good on this cruise and not do anything in excess. I'm gonna definitely eat good food, stuff I don't normally eat, which actually in some ways doesn't even taste good to me now because of my kind of basic diet that I have at home that I'm used to. But I'm gonna indulge there, indulge a little bit in alcohol, not too crazy, but I'm still not gonna weigh myself. So what I am doing today is going back, and I've been sticking to the step thing pretty well. Not every day, but like say, you know, minimum 10 easy, 25, 27, 20,000 steps a day when I'm at home. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm thinking it shouldn't be that hard. So I get up in the morning, pop around the deck like I am now, go up and down stairs to get my heart rate up. The jogging track is behind me. That drives me nuts because it's a circle, it's a circle, it's a circle. And then also there's a lot of walkers. I know I'm a walker, but I like to walk fast or kind of intermittently jog and walk. So I've done up and down the stairs a couple times so far. And right now I'm just pacing back and forth at an empty area to do this. But it's gonna like, so I'm gonna get in like in the morning before I'm not actively working to getting to step, working towards steps, trying to get like minimum 10, if not 12,000, because I figure easily during the day, just walking around the ship or at a port of call, or anything, I can easily get in another 8,000 steps. But also access to the spa. We're in a spa level balcony, so I'll be going after this and rewarding myself with the steam room, the sauna, the pool. We have a little spa pool in there. It's essentially like a big bathtub. And then going to my favorite thing, which is Sea Day brunch. Love their Sea Day brunch. So I'll be doing that. And everything's going really well. Having a great time. So that's my plan for the week. I'm not really going to document, I think, steps and all that. I'm not trying to make this like a video where it's in like a big montage of like a story. It's just, this is what I plan to do. because I know the week after next I have to be in Vegas for an intense conference, and I sure don't want to let myself go for that because I'm basically into size 4 skinny Old Navy khaki pants, which are really khaki and gray and black. You know, just wear kind of a company uniform. Probably look a little bit like a dude versus a woman, but I think it's kind of professional. I might stand out there just looking like that, but I definitely need to fit into those pants easily. So that's how it's gonna go. So I guess I'll stop pacing back and forth and get my heart rate up and start doing some stairs now. Bye.